If your reusable air filter is dirty, don't be sad. Be glad. Because now we have the K&N Recharger Kit. So stay tuned to find out how clean your air filter can get. So for today's little project, we're going to be cleaning this air filter. As I rotate it, you guys can see how dirty that thing is. Look at all that. I don't even know what the hell that is. But you guys get the idea. It's pretty dirty. We're going to take it off and give it a nice little clean here. What we're going to do is take a flathead screwdriver, take it off by this bolt right here. Once you get this bolt loose enough, just simply slide it off from the piping. Just like that, bam. Here's another look inside of it actually. You guys can see a little debris in there and just a bunch of junk. We're about to clean this bad boy to make the engine run a little better. So I'm going to be using this K&N Recharger Kit to clean the air filter. It says it's a 6-step maintenance system designed to recharge your K&N air filter. Completely restores airflow efficiently so your air filter performs virtually like new. So there's 2 bottles inside this kit. There's the air filter oil, and then we have the air filter cleaner. First we're going to use the air filter cleaner. Spray it on the dirty air filter here. Let it soak in for 10-15 minutes and rinse it off with some water. And then we're going to go back to this air filter oil and spray a good layer on there before installing it in the car. We're going to take this air filter cleaner. We're going to grab this dirty air filter and just spray a good layer of this cleaner on there. What this is going to do is soak into the filter and break away all the little particles and pieces. Give it a good sprays on the air filter until it's nice and soaked, and let it sit for a good 10-15 minutes and soak in. Now we're just going to take this dirty air filter. You guys can see all the dirty spots. It's all like this dark black. But anyways, we're going to run it under this water, and make sure you run the water from the inside out. You don't want the debris to get stuck in there. And you guys see all the bubbles in the water? You want to keep running the water until the bubbles go away. Simply just keep rotating it, keep washing it off. All those bubbles you guys are seeing is from the air filter cleaner. You want to keep running this filter under the water until those bubbles basically go away. This is after running the air filter under the water. You guys can already see how it's 10 times better. Now I would say like 90% of those dark black spots went away. So the next step would be to let this dry after running it under the water. The sun finally decided to come out. I'm letting this puppy dry real quick. After the filter is nice and dry, you're going to want to grab this bad boy, the air filter oil. Now when you're applying this stuff, make sure you guys hold it 3 inches away from the air filter, and don't put too much on. If you soak the air filter with the oil, it will actually clog up the map sensor. You do not want that to happen to your car. So that's just an extra fix you'll have to deal with later down the road. After you apply the oil to the air filter, you're going to want to let it dry for a good 20 minutes. After letting it dry in the sun for a good 20 to 30 minutes, we're ready to apply this bad boy back on. We simply just attach it right back here. There's a clamp right there that we need to throw on here real quick before attaching this. And then the clamp goes over the black filter. You guys get the idea. And what I'm gonna have to do is just tighten this bolt right here to tighten down the clamp. Looks like a flathead. And I'm good to go. Check out how clean this air filter is now after cleaning it, rinsing it with water, using the oil for the filter. It's as red as the head of this engine almost. Now it looks so fresh. This will increase gas mileage and just make the engine run a little better. I suggest you guys check out this video right here, and I will see you guys over there. Much love.